Hey y'all, on this beautiful Tuesday afternoon in the garden. Why are my glasses crooked? But anyway, when I first started this whole journey of gardening, um, I didn't know what I was doing. Um, but then I thought, I want to document it so that I can go back and look at what I've done, what I've learned, kind of thing. So that's how all this YouTube and social media stuff started, is me wanting to document what I was doing out here. And one of my initial thoughts was that if I'm going to share anything about my gardening experience, it is going to be the good, the bad, and the ugly. Because gardening is not perfect. It's guesswork. It's trial and error. Um, it's learn as you go. I do believe though that there's never a fail in the garden. Um, I either win or I learn. And so today I'm going to show you some good, some bad, and some real ugly. So y'all stay tuned on this beautiful Tuesday afternoon in the garden. Here's some good. We got jalapeno peppers. We got them everywhere. We got them all in there. And there's one that's really showing off. A couple that are really showing off. And these are peppers that I grew in the house. Trying to show y'all the tag. But I don't know if you can see it, but yeah. That's some good, people. We got jalapeno peppers. And well, we got some bad. They're not over here in timeout because they were bad. They're over here in timeout because a fungus was trying to take them out. So I have separated them from all the other tomato plants and put them over here in this partially shaded area, cut back. I know they look scarce because the recommendation was to cut back all the affected leaves, spray them with peroxide mixture, and see what they look like in 24 hours. Sprayed them this morning. They were looking really droopy, especially that one over there. I don't know if this camera's gonna focus enough, but yeah, so this is the bad. Fungus trying to take out my experimental 3-gallon bucket tomato plants, which are the Sweet 100 and the Sweeties, I believe. All this beautiful fruit, and something's trying to take it out, but not on my watch. So yeah, this is the bad. Well, right here we got some ugly. Remember those sweet potato slips that I planted from my stash? Well, they're dying. Something ate that one. And that's one of the Georgia Jets right there. That's dying. Yeah. So, I didn't even see that one. Poor thing. Oh. So, that's some ugly. So, to replace the ugly, I went to my local big box store, which is Lowe's, and I purchased some Ooh, focus. Some Beauregard sweet potatoes. I looked for Georgia Jet, but they didn't have any. So, next best thing for me is Beauregard because I grew Beauregard last year too. Um, and honestly, some of these plants that I planted may have been Beauregard because I really couldn't tell the difference between Beauregard and Georgia Jet. But anyway, this is what you do when you discover something didn't work. You make a course correction and try it again. So here we go, replacing the dead sweet potato plants. We'll see what happens. We're talking about the good, the bad, and the ugly. This is my view as I'm replanting sweet potatoes. Watching the girls forage. Doesn't get much better than that. If there was a such word as gooder, I'd use it. But yeah, doesn't get much better than that. She's coming to see me. I call her Big Bertha. She's the fattest chicken we have. But y'all, this is in my backyard. Hey Bertha, you finding some worms, girl? Look at her fluffy butt. The good, the bad, and the ugly of not just gardening, but homesteading.